part of the finesse of doing a good restoration is not destroying everything while you take it apart. I couldn't find any information on how to remove this Yamaha emblem, but there was a guy that removed the Honda emblem. So I just wanted to make sure I didn't damage anything. So here is the emblem that I removed off the other side. These are the tools that I used. That is a piece of shim stock, 25 thousandths. You can cut a slot in your putty knife if you want to, just to get underneath the emblem. I found the shim stock works good. I have plenty of it. But this is what it looks like. Now we know what it looks like, but that doesn't matter. You got to be able to get it apart. Those are basically holes. Nothing is threaded. And on the emblem itself, you can see you have those two little pins, and on the pins there's a little clip that holds them fast to the surface. So basically, that was on. I was very gentle, and I was able to get that one off. I didn't try the other one yet. I don't think I'll have any issues, but that's basically how you do it. Just be gentle and try not to dent anything when you're taking it apart, and don't break it. I saw one of these things for 200 bucks. People are insane. But anyways, I'm gonna paint this tank. I have a dent to remove. I'm not removing, I'm gonna cover it up, but I will fix that and hopefully get it looking pretty decent. All right, man, hope this helps. Okay, I'm in the process of taking off the right-handed side. I shoved this piece of shim steel under there to get an opening, and I have been wiggling a little bit. I started with the putty knife, got just a little bit. Now this doesn't mean that it's coming apart correctly. It could be bending the tank. We never know about these things, right? So we have to be very gentle and very careful. I can't really show you, but you can see this is how you have to do it. You just have to work it. One's off, and there's the second one, and it ain't broke. Woohoo! All right, mission accomplished. Now the work begins.